If you fall for this scam, you're gonna lose all your money. Future millionaires, welcome back to my channel. This channel is all about how to grow on Instagram and Instagram daily updates. And first of all, I want to say that we are 22 subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing and liking my videos. It means a lot to me and it motivates me to make more videos related to how to grow on Instagram. And now for those who are watching this video and are still not subscribed, come on guys, what are you doing? Just subscribe right now and turn on the post notifications to get notified whenever I post a new video if you wanna know how to grow on Instagram. So let's talk about today's topic, and today's topic is not related to Instagram, but it is a really serious topic that I thought I needed to talk about, and it's about a scam that is going on for months. And I'll talk about what is the scam, how actually the scam works, when it started, and how you can prevent yourself. And at the end, I'll tell you how this scam still going on. So if you wanna know that, stick till the end. So the scam is related to investing in Bitcoin. The person will say that you can give me a certain amount of money and I'll invest that into Bitcoin, and within 24 hours that money will be double. For example, if the scammer say that you can give me $20 and within 24 hours it will be $40. So that, and they accept the payment through Cash App, and which is a very weird app, and I still don't know how to even use that app. And so like over there it's just a red flag for me that it's from Cash App. And now let's talk about when did the scam started. So the scam started a couple of months back, where the scammers used to type these type of comments under finance channel saying that you should invest in Bitcoin with the help of these person's strategies, and he has helped me to reach turn my $100 into $10,000. And after that, maybe his teammates or his bots reply the same thing saying that yes, I know that person, his strategies are really good, and I became a millionaire by investing in Bitcoin, all thanks to that person's name. And then they will give his WhatsApp number or maybe Instagram ID, and then the scammers, I don't know, comments get so much like comments and so many likes that his comment ranks as the number one comment on the person's content creators video. And the normal person who is trying to find ways to invest in and make money, he will see that not only 2 3 or not even 10 50 but hundreds, 100 plus people are seeing the same results with the same person's strategy. He is more likely to invest, he is more likely to talk to him and like fall for it, because the scammers are really like sharp, that they are really clever, that he'll like do whatever it takes to like take the person's trust. And after that, when he takes the trust, and then how will you lose money, then he will say that you can invest that about $20 and I'll turn that into $40 within 24 hours, just to tell you that we are legit and we will help you to make you millions. So like the person is likely to say that you can take $20, not a big amount, and that $20 will turn into $40, and after that $40 will turn into $80, and the person will see who that their account is growing, and the scammer will see that now you can invest with bigger amounts so that I can help you reach millions in days. So he will say that you can invest about $500 so that I can turn that to $1,000, and you can then invest $1,000 to make $2,000 a day. So it goes like that, and at a certain point when the scammer will have enough money, he will like fade away, he will not give you any money, and that's how you actually lose money. And ton of people have lost money, not through only Instagram, not through only YouTube, but Instagram also. Many people started to DM those who were interested in how to make money. The scammer started to DMing them and telling them that you should invest in Bitcoin, and over there many people also fell for it. And now let's talk about why is this scam still going on. Why didn't content creators ban that type of comments, or why is YouTube not banning those people. So now let's talk about that. As there is not only one scammer, there are so many scammers in this world, and they're doing the same thing, and they have I don't know how many bots, and so therefore it becomes really easy for them to spread their word around YouTube. And even content creators, after realizing that it is a scam, they try their best to delete comments, and the comments were in thousands that it was nearly impossible for them to delete. But if they even managed to delete that comments, those comments used to appear from nowhere. And even content creators like restricted some type of words like WhatsApp, but still the scammers found a variant and those comments used to get published. And I think that YouTube is going to find a way that find a way to like overcome this situation that is going in their platform without disturbing the viewers comfort. And even Instagram has started to ban these people, as Instagram also experienced the same thing, and now Instagram is doing like banning their accounts, and I'm sure that YouTube will also do the same. And even after watching this type of video, you think that you are going to be way more smarter than the scammer, and you're going to take out money before he takes out. And I want to say that you don't know when he's going to take out your money, right? Maybe after depositing money he's just going to fade away, or after like 1 or 2 days he's going to take your money. You don't know when he's going to take your money, right? And that money that you're investing, that is actually hard earned money. And so if you know that how hard it's to make money, I don't think so that you should invest and like play with your money. Instead, that you can invest in a course, or you can invest in books or something else, but not in Starbucks, because Starbucks is really expensive. And yes, and if I were you, I'll invest in a course or in a book, so that I can learn a high income skill, and that I can use to like generate some income. And if I knew that it's a scammer after watching the video that you're watching right now, I will just stay away from him. I will not reply, and I will just block him, report him, and that's it. And I'll just not like even interact with him, and that's it. That's what I will do, and I recommend that you should do the same thing. And that was all for today's video. I hope that you guys got value, you like got aware that how the scam works and how you can prevent yourself from getting scammed. And if yes, then consider subscribing if you want to know how to learn, if you want to know how to grow your Instagram account and how to make money on Instagram. And if possible, you can share this video with the people you know, because they will also get aware that how the scam works and how their money can be safe. And if possible, you can do that, or I just ask for a like. Just like it right now and smash the like button. And I'll see you in the next video. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'm out.